In this video, I'm going to show you the best place to find tin ore in Once Human. So, if you want to get tin, this is where you want to get it. If I open up my map over here, as you can see, I'm right around the Iron River region, just next to this Winding Ridge frontier. And as you can see, over here, at the coordinates in the bottom right corner, you can see where the coordinates are. And just over here, at this road along these river over here, you'll be able to see a lot of tin ore, okay? And next to tin ore, there will also be a lot of iron ore and stuff like that. So if I just drive around over here for a second, you'll be able to see on the right side of the road and the left as well, there's a bunch of tin ore. As you can see, there's iron ore and there's tin ore there in the back. There's a lot of enemies here as well right now because that buzz dude just walked around. And yeah, there we go. As you can see, a bunch of tin over here, a bunch of iron as well, and some copper too on the side. And yeah, just basically use your motorcycle or your car or whatever, just drive around and then simply stop where there's tin ore, get some for yourself, and that's pretty much it. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out that way.